Imagine you're a kid again. You're standing at the edge of a swimming pool. The water looks so inviting. That's how affiliate marketing can feel. Exciting, a little scary, but full of potential. Affiliate marketing is like learning to swim. It takes time, it takes practice. But once you get the hang of it, it can be a great way to earn money online. This guide is here to help you take those first steps. We'll show you how to choose the right pool, your niche, and how to start swimming, making money, with affiliate marketing. Are you ready to dive in? Let's go. Before you jump in the pool, you need a flotation device. In affiliate marketing, your flotation device is your niche. This is the area you'll focus on. Think about what you're passionate about. Do you love video games? Maybe you're a fitness fanatic? Whatever you love, there's probably a niche for it. Choosing the right niche is important. It helps you focus your efforts and reach the right audience. Remember, you don't have to be an expert to start. You need to be passionate and willing to learn. Now that you have your niche, it's time to build your swimming pool. In the online world, this means creating your platform. Your platform is your digital space where you can share ideas, connect with your audience, and promote your affiliate products. Think of it as your virtual home base where you can establish your presence and grow your influence. In the online world, this is your platform. It's the foundation of your online business and where you'll interact with your audience. Whether you create a website, start a blog, or use social media, your platform is where you'll share your knowledge and build relationships with your followers. It's where you'll connect with your audience. Building a strong connection with your audience is crucial for your success. Your platform allows you to engage with your followers, understand their needs, and provide them with valuable content. This connection will help you build trust and loyalty, essential for promoting your affiliate products. Your platform could be a website, a blog, or even just a social media account. The key is to choose a platform that you're comfortable with and that aligns with your niche. If you enjoy writing, a blog might be the best option for you. If you prefer creating visual content, social media platforms like Instagram or YouTube could be a better fit, or even just a social media account. The important thing is to choose a platform you're comfortable with that fits your niche. Your platform should reflect your personality and style, making creating content and engaging with your audience easier. Remember consistency, so choose a platform you can commit to and regularly update. The important thing is to choose a platform you're comfortable with that fits your niche. Think of your platform as your home base. It's the central hub where all your content and interactions occur. By having a dedicated platform, you can create a cohesive brand and provide a consistent experience for your audience. Think of your platform as your home base. It's where you'll share your knowledge, build relationships, and promote your affiliate products. Your platform is the place where you can showcase your expertise and provide value to your audience. By consistently sharing valuable content, you can establish yourself as an authority in your niche and attract more followers. It's where you'll share your knowledge, build relationships, and promote your affiliate products. The more you build up your platform, the more people you can reach. As your platform grows, so does your potential to influence and connect with a larger audience. This increased reach can lead to more opportunities to promote your affiliate products and generate income. And promote your affiliate products. The more you build up your platform, the more people you can reach. And the more people you reach, the more money you can make. By focusing on building a solid platform, you can create a sustainable online business that provides value to your audience and generates income for you. The more you build up your platform, the more people you can reach. And the more people you reach, the more money you can make. By consistently providing valuable content and engaging with your audience, you can build a loyal following that trusts your recommendations and is more likely to purchase the products you promote. The more people you can reach, the more money you can make. Building a solid platform takes time and effort, but the rewards are worth it. By focusing on usable content and building relationships with your audience, you can create a successful online business that provides value to your followers and generates income for you. And the more people you reach, the more money you can make. So start building your platform today and take the first step towards creating a successful online business. Remember, your platform is your home base, and by consistently providing value to your audience, you can build a loyal following and achieve your goals. The more money you can potentially make. So, take the time to build a robust platform, connect with your audience, and provide valuable content. By doing so, you can create a successful online business that generates income and provides value to your followers. Start building your platform today and take the first step towards achieving your goals. You're in the pool and ready to start swimming. Starting with affiliate programs can feel exciting and overwhelming, like diving into the water for the first time. But don't worry. With the proper guidance, you'll be like a pro in no time. But first, you need to learn some basic strokes. These strokes are essential techniques in swimming that help you move efficiently through the water. Similarly, in affiliate marketing, understanding the basics of affiliate programs is crucial for your success. In affiliate marketing, those strokes are affiliate programs. These programs are the foundation of your journey, and knowing how to navigate them will set you up for success. Affiliate programs are partnerships between businesses and individuals. That's you. These partnerships are mutually beneficial. Enterprises get more exposure and sales, while you earn a commission for every sale made through your referral. You promote their products, and they give you a commission on every sale you make. It's a win-win situation. The more effectively you encourage, the more you can earn. This can be done through various channels like blogs, social media, or YouTube videos. There are many affiliate programs out there. Each offers different products, commission rates, and terms. Researching and finding the ones that best align with your interests and audience is essential. Some popular ones include Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and CJ Affiliate. These platforms offer a wide range of products and have established reputations, making them great starting points for beginners. When choosing an affiliate program, look for products that are relevant to your niche and that you believe in. Remember, honesty is essential. Promoting products you genuinely like and trust will resonate more with your audience and build credibility. Your audience will be able to tell if you're not being genuine. Authenticity is crucial in building a loyal following. When your audience trusts you, they are likelier to follow your recommendations and purchase through your affiliate links. Another important aspect of affiliate marketing is creating valuable content. Whether it's a detailed blog post, an engaging video, or a helpful social media post, providing value to your audience will keep them coming back for more. Track your progress and analyze your results. Understanding what works and doesn't will help refine your strategies and improve your performance. Use analytics tools to monitor your traffic and conversions. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small. Each sale is a step towards your goals. Stay motivated and keep learning. Affiliate marketing constantly evolves, and staying updated with the latest trends and techniques will give you an edge. So dive in and start your affiliate marketing journey today. With dedication and the right approach, you'll swim in success before you know it. Happy promoting! You're starting to get the hang of swimming. Now it's time to work on your endurance. In affiliate marketing, endurance comes from creating high-quality content. Content is king. It's what will attract people to your platform and keep them coming back for more. Think about the type of content your audience wants to see. Would they prefer blog posts, videos, or infographics? What questions do they have that you can answer? Creating valuable content takes time and effort, but it's one of the most important things you can do to succeed in affiliate marketing. Section 6. Navigating the deep end, driving traffic, and building an audience. You're swimming like a pro now. You've mastered the basics and effortlessly gliding through the water. Your strokes are strong, your technique is flawless, and you feel confident in your abilities. But even the best swimmers must know how to navigate the deep end. It's not just about swimming, it's about understanding the currents, the waves, and the challenges that come with deeper waters. In affiliate marketing, the deep end is traffic and audience building. This is where the real challenge begins. It's not enough to have outstanding content. You need people to see it, engage with it, and take action. Traffic is the lifeblood of any online business. Just like a busy highway is essential for a city's economy, a steady stream of visitors is crucial for your online success. Without traffic, you won't have anyone to see your content or click on your affiliate links. An empty website is like a deserted park. No matter how beautiful, it serves no purpose if no one is there to enjoy it. There are many ways to drive traffic to your platform. You can leverage the power of social media, create engaging content, and optimize your site for search engines. Some popular methods include SEO, social media marketing, and paid advertising. SEO helps your content rank higher in search results, making it easier for people to find you. Social media marketing allows you to connect with your audience on platforms they already use. Paid advertising can give you a quick boost in visibility. Building an audience takes time and effort. It's like planting seeds in a garden. You need to nurture, water, and give them time to grow. It's also like training for a marathon, where consistent effort over time leads to success. But the more people you can reach, the more successful you'll be. Imagine the thrill of performing in front of a packed concert hall or giving a speech to a large, engaged audience. The more eyes on your content, the greater your potential for success. Section 7. Reaching the shore. Converting traffic into sales. You've reached the other side of the pool. Now it's time to relax and enjoy the fruits of your labor. In affiliate marketing, that means converting traffic into sales. Not everyone who visits your platform will make a purchase, but there are things you can do to increase your chances of making a sale. Make sure your content is clear, concise, and persuasive. Use strong calls to action and highlight the benefits of the products you're promoting. Remember, people buy from people they trust. Build relationships with your audience and be authentic in your recommendations. Section 8. Swimming with a buddy. Resources and support for affiliate marketers. Swimming is more fun with a buddy, and so is affiliate marketing. There are tons of resources and support systems available to help you succeed. Join online communities and forums, connect with other affiliate marketers, and don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. Many tools and software programs can make your life easier. These tools can help you with everything from keyword research to email marketing. Remember, you don't have to do this alone. Section 9. Making a splash conclusion. Congratulations! You've made it to the end of our affiliate marketing crash course. You've learned to choose a niche, build a platform, create content, drive traffic, and convert sales. Now it's time to put what you've learned into action. Remember to be patient and persistent and always keep learning. Affiliate marketing is a journey, not a race. Enjoy the ride and celebrate your successes along the way. So what are you waiting for? Dive in and make a splash.